mood to enjoy outside.
Careful, careful.
I see you.
Hi there. Could I do a dozen of the Gulf oysters and 6 blue points, please? Scraps here. Put the nice. Usually we wash these, but we make do what we have. Juicy boy. Juice is worth the squeeze.
Oh, that's quick.
That's what she said.
Aren't oysters an aphrodisiac?
Well, just because they have zinc.
So zinc is an aphrodisiac.
Not really, but suppose it helps with like blood flow.
Oysters are pretty sexy of a food, though.
Yeah, it's a brain food.
Yeah, but they're kind of sexual.
Well, they're very suggestive.
Very suggestive.
What are you doing?
That just juiced all down my chin.
So yeah, I love cooking because it's such a, it's a primal activity, you know, probably right next to like intercourse, like the reproducing, or I guess, well, there's Maslow's hierarchy of needs.
Self-actualization is the top there.
But
security, like, right? Like protection, family, sex, food, water, shelter. I think that making a meal is very... I like that as primal.
well, we all gotta eat.
You have to... Yeah, but actually, like, what would be more primal is, like, had we gone out and caught these oysters
Whoa.
and then brought them up to the shore and then shucked them right there.
Yeah.
Do you ever wish that you could, like, provide in that sense? Like, with your bare hands, if you had to? I mean, you very well might be
Like,
handy.
learn how to like hunt?
Hunt, yeah, fish.
I mean, I can fish. I used to fish a lot when I was a kid. I never killed like a cow before. I know how to kill a chicken because I saw my grandma kill chickens.
Oh, they cut off the heads and stuff, or they break the necks.
You gotta. No, she would just like.
Just
and then
whack
the
it
blood
off.
would just yeah, cut out the neck and then bleed them out.
Mm.
Which I don't know if that's the most, well, clearly that's not the most humane way. But in all rural parts of the world, that's how you do it.
Yeah.
You know, not everyone has a hydraulic gun to humanely kill a cow or a pig.
Slit their throats. Or like just sneak attack them.
So yeah, it's not really passive income, but you don't need to be present to make money.
Yeah.
I guess that's what I was trying to tell her. But
Yeah, because you do the work,
yeah.
but it's not like an 8 to 5,
Yeah.
and then it shuts down.
Yeah.
No, it's going 24 hours.
And if you stop working, you know, at some point, you lose the momentum. Here, so we can sit. Hell yeah.
I like these one better.
Really?
I think maybe.
So you like the sweeter ones?
Yeah, I guess. How many times do you think it takes someone to throw shoes onto a wire? How many times do you think they miss before they get it?
I don't know. Never done it.
This always reminds me of that Like Mike movie growing up. Remember that one?
Yeah.
Where the boy, he's in the shelter, and then the shoes fall, and they're Michael Jordan's shoes. And then he's like this 7-year-old that this is the best basketball player ever. Love that movie. Oh yeah.
Like Mike.
Like Mike. Oh no.
What are you doing?